Namaskaram, I am Arjun Amitra Jyoti and you are watching my book blogging channel. So we are continuing with Pandering to Poetry, where I read poetry. Charles Bukowski found me at last. The book looks fucking fantastic, and when you start reading something, if the stuff is really good, you get this vibe, right? And when I opened it, when I read the first 2-3 lines of this book itself, I understood that this guy is a gem. Okay, let's start with Bukowski. Okay, the poem is called "The Last Days of the Suicide Kid." Okay, I can see myself now, after all these suicide days and nights, being wheeled out of one of those sterile rest homes. Of course, this is only if I get famous and lucky, by a subnormal and bored nurse. There I am sitting upright in my wheelchair, almost blind, eyes rolling backward into the dark part of my skull, looking for the mercy of death. Isn't it a lovely day, Mr. Bukowski? Oh yeah, oh yeah. The children walk past and I don't even exist. And lovely women walk by with big hot hips and warm buttocks and tight hot everything, praying to be loved, and I don't even exist. It's the first sunlight we have had in 3 days, Mr. Bukowski. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There I am sitting upright in my wheelchair, myself whiter than this sheet of paper, bloodless, brain gone, gamble gone, me, Bukowski, gone. Isn't it a lovely day, Mr. Bukowski? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Pissing in my pajamas, slop drooling out of my mouth. 2 young schoolboys run by. Hey, did you see that old guy? Christ, yes, he made me sick. After all the threats to do so, somebody else has committed suicide for me at last. The nurse stops the wheelchair, breaks a rose from a nearby bush, puts it in my hand. I don't even know what it is. It might as well be my pecker for all the good it does. I don't even know what it is. It might as well be my pecker for all the good it does. That was the last days of the suicide kid. What a language, man. So there will be more of Charles Bukowski. Charles, his name is a bit tricky to pronounce, but doesn't matter. So if you are if you want Bukowski, you can start with this. Okay, the books looks so beautiful. Okay, something called as canongate.co.uk. It's available on Amazon if you feel like. Okay, so that's it. If you like what I do, like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you push the bell icon, you'll get the notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope you're safe. Stay safe.